Welcome to a green journey where every inch matters and every seed tells a story. Container gardening unveiled. Ever wondered about the secrets beneath the soil or the perfect moment to let your garden bloom? Today, we're diving deep into the lush world of container gardening, unlocking the mysteries of depth, timing, and the captivating tales hidden within these green havens. Get ready to witness your garden flourish like never before. Stay tuned as we embark on a journey of roots, rhythms, and the art of nurturing life in a box. Section 1. Unlocking the depths of success. Container garden depth demystified. Picture this: a canvas of green, vibrant hues bursting forth from carefully chosen containers. But what lies beneath the surface is where the real magic happens. Welcome to the first chapter of our container gardening saga, unlocking the depths of success. In the underground world of your container garden, roots dance to an ancient rhythm, seeking the perfect depth for their performance. It's not just about space. It's about allowing your plants to stretch their legs, or rather, roots, and truly thrive. Imagine a stage where each plant has its own spotlight, and the depth of the container sets the stage. A shallow container may confine the roots, leading to a cramped performance. On the other hand, a deep container gives them the freedom to sway, creating a symphony of growth and vitality. Choosing the right container is like selecting the perfect instrument for a melody. As you embark on your gardening adventure, consider the needs of your green companions. Different plants demand different depths. Some are shallow serenades, while others yearn for the deep resonance of a spacious home. Let's not forget our rebel plants, the ones that demand a solo act in their own deep, specialized containers. Together, we'll decode the language of container depths, ensuring each plant finds its harmonious home. As the curtain rises, practical tips take center stage. It's not just about the depth, it's about the relationship between soil and roots. We'll uncover the secrets of well-aerated soil, proper drainage, and the essential nutrients that transform a container into a stage for thriving life. Think of your container garden as a well-orchestrated play. The depth is the stage design, and the soil is the script that guides the roots through their enchanting journey. With our tips, you'll be conducting a botanical symphony that resonates with success. Stay tuned as our container gardening odyssey continues with the rhythmic beats of perfect timing. The journey has just begun, and the secrets of container gardening are unfolding before your eyes. Get ready to cultivate a green masterpiece. Section 2. Perfect timing. Nurturing your container garden from seed to bloom. Close your eyes and imagine the very beginning, a tiny seed cradled in your hand, holding the potential for an entire green kingdom. Timing is everything, and our journey starts with the delicate whisper of the seed. As we dive into the art of perfect timing, we uncover the secrets of when to introduce this small but mighty life into its container sanctuary. Whether it's the anticipation of spring or the coziness of fall, each season brings its own melody to the garden. Picture a garden that dances through the seasons, an ever-changing kaleidoscope of colors and fragrances. Crafting a calendar for your container garden is like composing a symphony, knowing when each instrument or plant should take the spotlight. From the first notes of early bloomers to the grand finale of late-season wonders, our calendar unfolds, guiding you through a harmonious journey. Timing your plantings ensures a continuous spectacle, a story told in petals and leaves. Just as dancers follow a choreography, each plant in your container garden has its own seasonal routine. Witness the graceful choreography of growth, bloom, and rest. We'll explore the timing nuances for different plant varieties, ensuring your garden is a stage that's alive with movement throughout the year. It's a dance of nature, synchronized with the changing seasons. As the final act approaches, we bask in the joy of harvest, the sweet reward of perfect timing. Every fruit, every bloom, tells a tale of patience and precision. Together, we'll explore the moment when your container garden becomes a cornucopia of your efforts. Imagine the satisfaction of plucking a ripe tomato or harvesting fragrant herbs precisely when your culinary masterpiece demands it. Timing isn't just about when to plant. It's about orchestrating a garden that delivers joy in its own sweet time. Stay tuned for the next act as we delve into the heart of container gardening, understanding how it works its magic. The rhythm of timing has set the stage. Now, let's watch the garden come to life. Section 3. Inside the Green Box, a story of how container gardening flourishes. Step inside the green portal of container gardening, where ordinary boxes transform into magical realms of lush life. As we unravel this chapter, you'll witness the enchantment and discover why container gardening is more than just growing plants. It's nurturing a world within a box. Imagine your balcony or patio as a canvas, waiting for your creative brushstrokes. Container gardening allows you to paint with plants, turning the mundane into a living masterpiece. The green box becomes a stage for your imagination, a canvas where the story of growth unfolds. Container gardening knows no bounds. It's a game changer for urban dwellers, small spaces, or those craving a touch of green indoors. Uncover the benefits beyond the boundaries of traditional gardening as we explore the versatility and adaptability of container gardening. From cultivating herbs just steps away from your kitchen to transforming a barren corner into a floral haven, container gardening invites you to break free from the limitations of traditional gardening spaces. The green box becomes a symbol of limitless possibilities. Let's step into the real world, where containers come alive with tales of triumph. We'll showcase inspiring stories of individuals who turned their balconies into botanical paradises and transformed dull corners into vibrant sanctuaries. These are not just stories. They are testaments to the power of container gardening. Each tale is a reminder that, no matter the space, anyone can become a steward of a flourishing green kingdom. Your container garden becomes a narrative of resilience, growth, and blooming beauty. Now, let's unravel the magic behind the scenes. Container gardening thrives on attention to detail, from selecting the right container to mastering the art of watering and feeding. As we delve into the intricacies, you'll become the wizard of your green domain, turning every challenge into an opportunity for growth. The green box becomes a metaphor for life, a space where care, attention, and a sprinkle of magic lead to flourishing outcomes. Join us in unlocking the secrets, and let your container garden be the protagonist of your own horticultural epic. Conclusion: as our container gardening saga draws to a close, I invite you to like this video if you found it inspiring and subscribe to our channel for more captivating tales of greenery. Your support fuels our journey to unearth the wonders of gardening, one container at a time. Let's continue cultivating stories together. Until next time, may your gardens be abundant and your green adventures boundless. Happy gardening!